glimpses of what people can expect when she's hosting this beautiful experience against the backdrop of a very serene villa in Goa. You know what?
Melt your worries away with a relaxing spa. Feed not just the body, but your soul too. Soak up the warmth of the sun. Let your thoughts drift like clouds in the sky. Take a step back from the chaos as I invite you to experience the calm with me. Namaste. मैं हूं सारा अली खान, your host and dost, and I look forward to hosting you at this lovely Airbnb wellness retreat in Goa. See you soon.
Oh, thank you so much, Aman. Thank you. And I'm super excited to welcome on stage our newest host. She's known for her stellar performances that are real, relatable, and hard to. Simba was another big blockbuster that very year, and she followed it up with one fantastic performance after the other. But my personal favorite of hers is Atrangere, a movie not as much talked about, but a movie where she put her heart and soul into the role. A heart-wrenching performance that makes you really fall in love with the protagonist. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm super excited to welcome on stage Sara Ali Khan, the incredibly gorgeous and the supremely talented actress and our newest host. Sara, please come up on stage. Please say a few words. Tell us, how do you feel being a host on Airbnb?
Namaste, everybody. Thank you so much for having me. I think that I'm just extremely grateful. I think that apart from my work, which I'm thoroughly grateful for and enjoy and appreciate every day of my life, I think that traveling, exploring, discovering, and wellness is all extremely close to my heart. And I think this Airbnb campaign, this idea of traveling, but also mindfulness and wellness just totally resonates with me. And I'm so glad to be able to do this for you guys and with you guys. So thank you.
Oh, thank you so much, Sara. I'm going to just ask one question on behalf of everybody here. आपकी खूबसूरती का राज क्या आपकी wellness और yoga और fitness है? Please tell us a little bit about that.
Honestly, firstly, thank you very much. And secondly, I really think that खूबसूरती क्या ही होती है, अंदरूनी ही होती है और वो सिर्फ शांति से मिल सकती है. और शांति कैसे मिलती है, मतलब उसका जवाब किसी के पास honestly I don't think है. But I think that part of that journey of discovery is definitely just union of body, mind and soul. और वो कैसे होता है? सबके लिए I think the answer is different. I think meditation दिमाग को थोड़ा बहुत शांत करता है. Loved ones के साथ time spend करना, कुछ सीखना, reading, कुछ पढ़ना, बस अपने आप को active रखना, yoga, workout, trekking if you're lucky, you know. I think that अपनी निजी ज़िंदगी और अपने प्रोफेशनल करियर में एक तरह का संतुलन लाना और बनाए रखना. I think balance is key, you know, whether it's shooting 24 hours, shooting round the clock, and then taking your time and saying, okay, Kedarnath is open because we're during season, which unfortunately now we're not, and then taking your time and going there. चलो अभी अच्छे से शूट करेंगे और फिर गोवा के लास्ट मतलब दिसंबर के लास्ट वीक में गोवा चले जाएंगे. You know, that little bit of balance, I think it keeps you alive, keeps you rejuvenated, keeps you replenished and keeps you looking forward to, you know, काम के वक्त फिर छुट्टी आप सोचते हो कि अरे मज़ा आएगा. Then once you're done with your holiday, you're like, I can't wait to go back to work and kill it. So basically balance is key.
Awesome. So balance is key. Great. I have a ton of more questions here, but I know a lot of you have been waiting for a while and you have a lot of questions. So we're going to open it up for Q&A. Aman, we'll invite you to. Please feel free to take a seat. Sir, if you want to sit down, we can do that. No? You comfortable? Okay, great. Questions? Of course.
Is very nice in the place that I stayed at. But in this wellness retreat also, I think the swimming pool is lovely and there's this lovely veranda where you can meditate, beautiful views of the sun. Sunrise is beautiful, sunset is beautiful. There's always something happening in the sky for you that's beautiful. So yeah, those two spots.
Thank you.
Thank you. I think we had a question there.
This is
Yes.
Ekta from Z Business. सारा
Hello,
आपसे हाय प्लेजर टू मीट यू आपसे ये समझना चाहेंगे कि लास्ट टाइम जानवी ने चेन्नई में जब अपना घर लोगों को वेलकम किया था पेट्रन्स के लिए ओपन किया था, क्या ये आपका खुद का बंगलो है? आपका किस तरह का एसोसिएशन है एयरबीएनबी के साथ?
नहीं, ये मेरा बंगलो नहीं है। भगवान करे मैं काम करती रहूं और फिर बहुत सारे बंगलोज हो जाए और वो सब एयरबीएनबी पे लगा दूं, बस आप लोगों की दुआएं हैं। बट ये एक वेलनेस रिट्रीट है जो मैं होस्ट कर रही हूँ गोवा में, और बस उम्मीद है कि लोग आएँ और अपने बारे में, अपने खुद के बारे में आकर कुछ सीखें इस जगह पर।
I think
Aman,
I can
yeah,
take
I think
that.
Aman, you should take
As
this.
you already know that Airbnb has stays. We have beautiful properties across Goa, but we also have experiences. Something that is where people bring people into their passion points and bring into the communities and share with that. I think what we are announcing today is a blend of both and something which is one of its kind. And with Sara curating a beautiful wellness retreat within the serenity of a beautiful villa in Airbnb, guests would be able to access something that they've never done before. So I think Sara will be a experience host, if I may call, who has curated this beautiful retreat over the 3 days only on Airbnb. जी हाँ, 4 गेस्ट जो आएंगे इसके अंदर वो सारा से मिलेंगे. इनफैक्ट सारा is going to lead a yoga session plus also share a number of other insights so that people can get access to their wellness insights and practices that Sara has. So
Hi, Sara.
people are looking forward to that.
Sarah, this is Mayur from Rediff.com. We all know you love mountains and trekking. So, do you wish there was similar wellness retreat in the Himalayas as well?
I would.
If yes, where?
I would love that. In fact, this is something we should really chat about because I would love that. और मुझे लगता है वहाँ पे जो energy होती है, जो vibrations होते हैं, जो नज़ारे होते हैं, बस इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. वहाँ पे जाके साधना करना अलग ही होगा. तो मैं तो खुद अपने आप करती ही हूँ. उम्मीद है आप लोगों के साथ पता नहीं एक दिन.
100%. Aman and I already like nodding. So yeah, for sure. That's a great idea. Thank you. Okay, we'll take one more
Pataudi's
question.
got many palaces as per my knowledge. So will your palace, Pataudi's got palace. So will your palace be the part of Airbnb's?
No, sir.
Okay. Any more questions? Of course,
Sara, I
Jan,
just
go
wanted
ahead.
to ask you, have you had any memorable Airbnb international experiences on your personal travel?
Yes, I have actually. I went to Florence with one of my friends, cum stylist Tanya, and our moms. So it was 4 of us, and we had a great time. It was a lovely Airbnb. The host was also really nice and friendly, which is also like one of the advantages, right, of Airbnb. आप जाके host से पूछ सकते हैं, where's the best place to get local coffee? What's a nice local gym around here? और वो आपको थोड़े मतलब what's the correct word? Local only, local organic opinions दे सकते हैं. Hidden gems बता सकते हैं. Thank you. So yeah, I think that was really nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Sarah.
We can take one.
Since you love wellness, you're hosting a retreat yourself. What is one of the practices, no matter where you are in the world, no matter which Airbnb you are in the world, what is that one wellness practice that you will never miss out on doing?
I think meditation and gratitude are things that you should try not to miss out on doing. And gratitude on the smallest things in life. It can get very easy to want more, to demand more, to complain. Just like I'm grateful for this, like touch wood, like I'm rushing, like I have somewhere to be right now. But right now I'm grateful that whether it's cameras that's my job, or whether it's lovely faces, that's the reason of my job. Like I'm getting that right now. And while I have to rush, I'm grateful for this moment right now. It's important to practice that.
Love that. Hi, Sarah.
That lovely faces was not for you and I, it seems. Just saying. It wasn't for us. She was looking there. So that we don't gloat. Okay, great. I think we'll take that last question because Sarah needs to
Hi,
leave.
Sarah.
Yes.
Your first film, Kedarnath, where you shot in Kedarnath, and we keep seeing you going back to Kedarnath and enjoying the place. Do you share a special connect with that place?
I share the most special connect with that place. I think that the first time that I went to Kedarnath, I was not an actor. The first time I went to Kedarnath, I don't even know if I was me. And everything I am has come from that place. Everything I am. So just so much gratitude. और बस बुलावा आता रहे और मैं जाती रहूँ और फिर वापस आती रहूँ और काम करती रहूँ और बस ये चलता रहे. That's it.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Last question from me. What's your next destination on Airbnb?
You tell me. I'm thinking between Kerala and Bali.
Both.
Both, but one
Our
has to happen
region.
first.
Our region. So both, most definitely.
Done.
That's fantastic. So we have another wellness retreat in the hills. Hopefully, fingers crossed. We have 2 trips, Bali and Kerala. So
बस अब
lots
थोड़ा
to look
काम मिल
forward to.
जाए. So some movies please quickly because otherwise how are we doing all this?
And there are a lot of movies too in the pipeline, by the way, which we can't talk about. So secret.
Hello,
Great.
hello, hello.
Thank you, thank you, thank you,
Can I ask
everybody.
last question? Here.
Okay.
Can I ask?
Super short one.
So sorry. Hi, my name is Ayush. I'm from Bazooka Media. Hi, Sara ji. Hi, sir. Sat Shri Akal Paji. सारा जी मेरा सवाल आपसे कि नाम में Airbnb है, एयर यानी कि हवा से शुरुआत हो रही है और कहीं ना कहीं आज के दौर पर अभी की डेट पे हम अपने आलीशान सपने पूरे करने के लिए बड़े घर बनाने के लिए कहीं ना कहीं वो एयर को ही गायब कर दे रहे पेड़ को दबाकर. आपको लगता है ऐसा?
हम सबको ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि हम अपने सिटी को, अपने वातावरण को पोल्यूटेड भी ना रखें, पॉपुलेटेड भी ना रखें. सो लेट्स टेक इट टू जस्ट दैट.
I totally agree. Pradushan and pollution are bad.
Okay, great. We're going to now break for a quick photo opportunity. Sarah has to leave. Just that you might want to go and explore. There's ceramic pottery painting session. There is aromatherapy sessions. There's matcha making. Of course, you would have enjoyed the coconut water. There's a photo zone there for you to explore. So all of that coming up. But we'll just quickly start with.
Ma'am, I'll send you this bite because right now I'll miss my flight.
She has a flight to catch.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay,
so we'll do
thank
a
you,
photo
thank you.
opportunity quickly and let Sarah go.